Let's dive into what makes Temptation Cancun Resort one of Mexico's most talked about adult destinations. This isn't your typical family-friendly getaway, and that's exactly the point. Located in Cancun's bustling hotel zone, this four-star resort has carved out a unique niche in the competitive Mexican resort market since opening its doors in 2010. The accommodation options at Temptation Cancun are designed with one thing in mind: creating an atmosphere of luxury mixed with playful sensuality. The standard Temptation Suite offers approximately 484 square feet of modern elegance, featuring a king-size bed, open-plan layout, and private balcony overlooking either the gardens or pool areas. What sets these rooms apart is the inclusion of an in-room jacuzzi tub, perfect for unwinding after a day of poolside activities. Each suite comes equipped with modern amenities including air conditioning, flat-screen television, fully stocked minibar, coffee maker, complimentary Wi-Fi, electronic safe, plush bathrobes, and professional-grade hairdryer. The decor follows a bold red and black color scheme that perfectly captures the resort's provocative atmosphere. For guests seeking direct pool access, the Temptation Swim-Up Suites provide roughly 538 square feet of space with the added luxury of stepping directly from your private terrace into a shared swim-up pool. The crown jewel of accommodations is the Temptation Penthouse Suite, spanning 753 square feet with a separate living area, enhanced entertainment system, premium toiletries, and upgraded minibar selections. These penthouse units offer panoramic ocean or pool views and provide exclusive access to VIP areas throughout the resort. All rooms maintain the resort's signature modern aesthetic with large windows, contemporary furnishings, and bathrooms featuring both jacuzzi tubs and rain showers. When it comes to dining and nightlife, Temptation Cancun takes a quality over quantity approach that keeps guests satisfied without overwhelming them with choices. The market serves as the resort's main dining hub, operating as an international buffet restaurant with live cooking stations that bring theater to mealtime. Open for breakfast from 7 to 10:30, lunch from 12:30 to 3, and dinner from 6:30 to 10, this spacious venue accommodates roughly 200 guests and features global cuisines spanning Mexican specialties, Italian classics, Asian fusion, and American comfort foods. The seafood selection is particularly noteworthy, with fresh catches prepared daily alongside grilled meats and comprehensive vegetarian options. No reservations are required, making it perfect for spontaneous dining. For a more intimate experience, the grill operates as an a la carte restaurant specializing in premium grilled specialties. Open exclusively for dinner from 6:30 to 10:30, this 80-seat venue requires reservations and maintains a smart casual dress code. Menu highlights include perfectly prepared ribeye steaks, fresh lobster tails, and gourmet burger creations that elevate casual dining to new heights. Friday steak nights have become legendary among returning guests. The heart of the resort's social scene beats at Temptation Bar, a lively venue that seamlessly blends cocktail service with dance floor energy. Operating from 10 in the morning until 2 in the morning, this 150-capacity space features a resident DJ, signature cocktail menu, and regular tequila tastings that introduce guests to Mexico's national spirit. The bar hosts themed parties throughout the week, creating an atmosphere that's equal parts sophisticated and playful. The pool and beach facilities at Temptation Cancun are where the resort's unique personality truly shines. 3 distinct pool areas cater to different moods and preferences, with the centerpiece being 2 large outdoor pools, one of which operates as a topless optional adults-only zone. This isn't just about shock value. It's about creating spaces where adults can feel completely free and uninhibited. The pools range from 1.2 to 1.8 meters in depth, ensuring safety while providing ample space for swimming and socializing. The swim-up pool, stretching approximately 25 meters, connects directly to select suites and features its own dedicated bar service. Operating hours run from 8 in the morning until 8 in the evening, with comprehensive poolside service including food and beverage delivery, fresh towel service, comfortable loungers, and protective umbrellas. A poolside DJ maintains the energy throughout the day, creating a party atmosphere that never feels forced or overwhelming. The beach access is equally impressive, featuring 300 meters of pristine white sand meeting calm turquoise Caribbean waters. Beach services mirror the pool amenities, with attentive staff ensuring guests have everything needed for a perfect day by the ocean. Water sports enthusiasts can enjoy complimentary snorkeling equipment, paddleboards, and kayaks, while those preferring relaxation can settle into beachside loungers with umbrella protection and convenient food and drink service. Activities at Temptation Cancun focus on adult entertainment and wellness rather than traditional resort programming. The fitness center operates from 6 in the morning until 10 at night, featuring modern cardio equipment including treadmills and elliptical machines, comprehensive free weight selections, and resistance training machines. Weekly yoga and Pilates classes provide structured wellness activities, while personal training sessions can be arranged for guests seeking more intensive fitness experiences. The resort's entertainment program centers around themed parties and live performances that change throughout the week. Professional dancers, acrobats, and musical acts provide nightly entertainment that ranges from sophisticated to playfully provocative. The famous White Party and Red Party events have become signature experiences that many guests plan their entire vacation around. These aren't amateur productions. The resort invests in professional quality entertainment that rivals anything found in Cancun's famous nightclub district. Daily activities include pool games, dance lessons, and social mixers designed to help guests connect and create lasting vacation memories. The spa and wellness facilities at Temptation Cancun provide a perfect counterbalance to the resort's high-energy social atmosphere. Operating from 9 in the morning until 7 in the evening, the spa offers comprehensive treatment menus including Swedish massages, deep tissue therapy, hot stone treatments, rejuvenating facials, detoxifying body wraps, and therapeutic hydrotherapy sessions. The signature Temptation Sensual Massage has become particularly popular among couples, designed specifically to enhance intimacy and connection. Facilities include traditional sauna and steam room experiences, a tranquil relaxation lounge, and multiple private treatment rooms designed for both individual and couple sessions. The spa philosophy emphasizes sensual wellness, incorporating elements that align with the resort's overall theme while maintaining professional therapeutic standards. Advanced booking is strongly recommended, either through the front desk or online reservation system. Treatments utilize high-quality products and techniques that rival much more expensive spa destinations. The wellness program extends beyond traditional spa services to include specialized workshops and classes that focus on adult relationships, communication, and personal empowerment. Since Temptation Cancun operates as an adults-only resort, there are no children's facilities or family programming. This policy allows the resort to maintain its unique atmosphere and cater specifically to adult guests seeking a mature vacation experience. The adults-only designation means guests can enjoy peace of mind knowing their vacation will remain sophisticated and uninterrupted by family-oriented activities or noise. The location in Cancun's hotel zone provides excellent access to the area's most popular attractions and activities. Isla Mujeres, located just 13 kilometers away, offers a perfect day trip destination accessible by ferry, featuring pristine beaches, excellent snorkeling, and charming local culture. The Maya Museum of Cancun, only 5 kilometers from the resort, provides fascinating insights into the region's rich pre-Columbian history and can be easily reached by taxi or shuttle service. For guests interested in ancient ruins, El Rey ruins sit just 3 kilometers away and can be reached on foot or by short taxi ride, offering a glimpse into Mayan civilization without requiring a full-day excursion. Shopping enthusiasts will appreciate La Isla Shopping Village, located 4 kilometers from the resort, featuring international brands, local artisans, restaurants, and entertainment options. For those seeking adventure, Ekarit Park, situated 20 kilometers away, offers eco-archaeological experiences, underground rivers, cultural shows, and wildlife encounters, with hotel-arranged tours available for convenient transportation and planning. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.